At Dataai, we help you meet and exceed growth targets. Let's say you lead the growth team at your company and you do not know what it takes to get into the top 10 ranks. As a result, you're not getting maximum visibility to drive free organic downloads, and it's impacting your ability to get featured. With top charts, you can view download estimates on a daily, weekly, and monthly basis. Armed with this valuable data, you can now estimate how many downloads you will need to place in the top 5, 10, or 20 for each App Store category. Achieving top chart placement will increase your visibility, help drive free organic downloads, and give you a better chance to get featured in the App Store. For example, the number of downloads you need to get in the top 10 on a Wednesday is likely different than what is required on a Saturday. Understanding how to leverage the top charts to maximize installs is critical to your success.